Hey guys, welcome back. So in our last video we learned attributes, what is attributes, and for example we learned href attribute and we learned about target attribute. Alright, now in this video we'll be learning a concept where we will understand how to create multiple lines, when to switch, because if you see in the first if you copy the same content, if you see this in a web page, the same introduction, how it looks everything in the same line, right? So what we will do in this video, we will learn how to separate them each in every single new line. How to do that? What are the different options that we have, right? We will see that in this particular video. So what you need to do, quickly go ahead and create a new blank chapter called as chapter 7 line breaks. And what we will do is I can just simply copy this complete introduction and paste it over here, but no, I don't do that. I will write it again. How to write HTML? It's good for practice. Start HTML with doc type declaration, exclamation, and you just need to type doctype and HTML and close it, and then start HTML. How to create line breaks in HTML, right? So first thing is HTML start, HTML close, and then we will write head start and head close, and then body start and body close. Okay, inside head we need a title start and title close, and what I need to do is I need to format it like this so that it is easily readable. And in title what I will write, chapter 7 line breaks. And inside body, I'll go into the introduction and copy this content. Okay, come back here, and first thing is I'll just simply paste it here and save, and let me quickly go to the web page and see how does it look. Without, just note down that inside body I haven't used any p tag or h tag, anything. I have simply pasted the content. So how will it look? Let me go ahead and just see in our browser. Chapter 7, it looks something like this, right? Let me close these two tabs. It is not readable. So what we need to do, we need to go back to our editor, and here let me just quickly write a paragraph tag, and for our reference we'll write a non-readable version, or we can say easily non-readable version. Okay, and refresh it. Chapter 7 line breaks, easily non-readable version. Okay, p tag, first p tag. Okay, so this title is also wrong. So see, the title spelling is wrong, so that's the reason it is getting displayed in the body. Perfect. So title, okay, chapter 7 line breaks, easily non-readable version is this one. Okay, fine. So then show me what is the readable version. There is one option to, let me show you this first. Let me just mark it like this. First, easily non-readable version. Okay, and now let me simply copy this again and paste it over here, and then this is to somewhat readable version. I'll make it somewhat readable version. So how do I make it somewhat readable version? What I'll do is I'll copy this whole content, paste it over here again, and add p tag for every line. What will it happen? How will it display? Let's see. Start P and close P here. Every line I'll write new P tag. Perfect. So for every line I have added P start and P end, P start, P end, P start, P end, P start, P end. So what happens here? Let me save it and see how does it look. So first is easily non-readable version. This is not readable version. Second is somewhat readable version. It is clearly readable. Yeah. So every content is easily, every point is easily displayed here, right? And yeah, it is readable, but this is not the right way. We don't go ahead and add P tag for every line. Okay, so what we need to do, this is not the right thing to do. There is two tags again and again, same tag we are using. The best way is start the P here and close the P here. So I'll tell you the ideal way. Ideal way in the sense, I'll just let me just quickly copy this text. Third option as best practice version is copy this bare content from here. What is the right way? I'll show you. Let me just divide these two so that it is differentiated. Okay. So just understand this. There is no, even if you have space or anything, I'm just formatting it neatly so that it is readable for myself whenever I refer later on. Because if you don't format it correctly, even you will not understand what you have written after some time. So it is important to format things correctly. So what I'll do is I'll start P here. Okay. What I'll do is I'll close P here. You might ask, it doesn't make any sense. But I say it does make sense because instead of using multiple P tags, we can just use one P tag itself. And why are we, what is the reason behind using multiple P tags? Just to create new tag, new line, we are creating multiple P tags. This is not the right way. We just need to use one single P tag for the whole content here. And because it's a small paragraph, it's just small characters, very little bit of characters are there. So we don't have to use multiple paragraphs unnecessarily. And if you go here and see, is it good? No, it is absolutely similar to this thing. It is still not readable. So how to make it readable and yet use just one P tag? So the tag that comes here is BR, break, page break, BR. Okay, start bracket open, BR, close. Same way, BR. So let me quickly save. As soon as you add a BR, whatever you add here next will be coming on a next line. So let's go ahead here and quickly refresh and see. See, first line we added BR, second line we added BR. So third line, after third line we didn't add any BR. So we'll come here and add BR. BR in the sense break the line or line break, page break, whatever you can consider it. BR in the sense whatever you have added text after that will come under next line only. The continuation will not happen. That's the whole point. So we added BR tag here and inside a single P tag, and what is the result? The result is we got a much neater version of the list of statements, right? There is one more beautiful tag we will come across called as list, that we will use it very soon. But for now, in this video, what you needed to understand is we need to create, whenever you want to create something where you want to stop and start from a new line, then we can use BR tag. Okay, and there is thing that we have 3 modules, 1 module, 2 module and 3rd module, and it is hard to read, it is hard to differentiate this complete web page, that it is not easily understandable that there is 3 modules. So what we can do is, there is one more tag. The tag name is HR. I'll add this HR after this first module. After this second module, I'll add one more HR. HR tag is used whenever we want to separate the contents from each other so that it is more distinguishable. And let me quickly save and let me show you what exactly I mean. Here, what happens is, if you save it, as you can see, there is a divider that is created now, right? So now it is easily understandable that, okay, this is first part, second part and third part. First part is easily non-readable version, second is somewhat readable version, but this is not a recommended and best practice, and third is a best version. Okay, so by using, this is a paragraph, from here to here it is a paragraph. If it is a paragraph, you don't have to create multiple paragraph for just so that you want to create a new line. Inside paragraph also you can create multiple lines. So by using BR, and when to use HR? HR you can use when you want to divide a whole section, whole module, whole content in separate parts. You can use it as a divider, right? Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you in this video, and I hope you understood when to use BR, when to use HR, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and go ahead and create a new chapter for this chapter 7 and line breaks and all. So I hope you understood, I hope you are enjoying a lot, and more interesting topics are coming soon. So stay tuned and make sure you practice again and again, so that it should be like water is just flowing inside. You don't have to think before writing HTML, right? So there are so many other complex concepts that will be coming in future in coding, when we will start learning to code and all those things. So there is where your mind and efforts should go, not in thinking how to write HTML. So for that, your foundation has to be very strong, and that will only become strong only when you practice and practice and practice and practice. There is no other method, right? You understand the concept and practice, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video with another concept in HTML. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Yeah.